Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Live Ayurveda. Subscribe for more information and updates. Today, let's have a look at health benefit of Amla. Amla works as a blood purifier and also increases hemoglobin. Amla prevents damage to the skin and reduces aging and wrinkles. Adding amla to a regular diet helps to improve your eyesight. To cure sore throat, mix amla juice with a few chopped ginger and a tablespoon of honey and consume it. Amla promotes digestion. It helps in healthy bowel movement and makes gastrointestinal tract clean. Amla helps to increase beneficial cholesterol to the body and also reduces unwanted cholesterol, which keeps the heart healthy. Stomach, skin, and liver cancers can be successfully prevented by the intake of amla. Consumption of amla early in the morning on an empty stomach is most effective to reduce weight. Amla can also help to prevent mouth ulcers. Amla is very beneficial in relieving stress and have a sound sleep. In case of diabetes, amla increases the response of the body to the insulin, so it helps to reduce sugar levels naturally and maintain blood sugar level. Amla aids in improving the central nervous system of the body. Amla has antioxidants, ultraviolet protective nutrient and vitamin C, which increases the skin tone and luster. Amla has a rich source of vitamin A, which improves your eyesight. Amla also helps to fight against liver diseases. When it comes to digestive system, amla is fiber-rich fruit. It also has the potentiality to increase the enzymes, also triggers the taste receptors, which increases the appetite. Amla enhances spare mitochondrial activity, which reduces stress in the respiratory cells. For good menstrual health, take amla few days before the menstruation and it will reduce the menstrual cramps. During breastfeeding, taking amla powder with cow ghee in the same quantity improves the health of mother for rejuvenation and provides proper nutrition. Thank you for watching, and for more information visit www.liveayurveda.com.